The Lamborghini Huracán in Verde Mantis is a supercar that doesn't just turn heads, it completely captivates the imagination from the moment you lay eyes on it. Dressed in this striking green shade, the car looks alive, like it was born to dominate both the road and the track. Its design language is pure Lamborghini, combining razor-sharp lines, sculpted aerodynamic curves, and hexagonal motifs that give it an unmistakable identity. From the aggressive Y-shaped LED headlights that pierce through the night, to the large side air intakes that feed the mighty V10 engine, every detail on the Huracán serves both an aesthetic and functional purpose. Walk around the car and you'll notice how the Verde Mantis paint shimmers differently under various lighting conditions, glowing with an almost liquid metallic sheen under natural sunlight while taking on a deep, menacing tone under artificial lights. The rear end is equally dramatic, with Y-shaped taillights, a massive diffuser, and twin exhausts that look ready to breathe fire. But as much as it dazzles on the outside, the real magic begins under the hood. At its heart, the Huracán packs a naturally aspirated 5.2-liter V10 engine, one of the last of its kind in today's supercar world where turbos and hybrids are taking over. It delivers up to 631 horsepower, revs past 8,000 revolutions per minute, and produces a soundtrack that is nothing short of symphonic, a raw, spine-tingling roar that can only come from a Lamborghini. This immense power is sent through a lightning-quick 7-speed dual-clutch transmission that delivers seamless shifts, propelling the car from 0 to 100 km per hour in under 3 seconds and on to a top speed north of 325 km per hour. The Huracán's all-wheel drive system, advanced aerodynamics, and finely tuned chassis mean that all of this power is not only usable but controllable, whether you're launching it on a straight highway, attacking tight corners on a mountain road, or chasing lap times on a racetrack. Inside, the Huracán is no less dramatic, drawing heavy inspiration from fighter jets. You're greeted with Alcantara and leather surfaces stitched to perfection, a flat-bottom steering wheel with integrated drive mode selectors, and a digital cockpit that changes its display layout depending on whether you're in Strata, Sport, or Corsa mode. The centerpiece of the cabin is the fighter jet-style ignition switch with a red flip cover that makes starting the car feel like firing up a jet engine. Despite its hardcore nature, the Huracán also integrates modern technology like Apple CarPlay, advanced telemetry, and optional connected features, proving that Lamborghini hasn't sacrificed convenience for performance. Driving the Huracán is an emotional experience. The steering is precise, the suspension, equipped with magnetorheological dampers, adapts instantly to road conditions, and the balance between agility and stability is unlike anything else in its class. Every input you make is met with an immediate and visceral response, making the car feel alive and deeply connected to the driver. The Verde Mantis color elevates this experience even further, amplifying the Huracán's presence and cementing its status as a true icon on the road. In a world where electrification is rapidly becoming the norm, the Huracán stands as a reminder of what makes traditional supercars so special: raw mechanical power, breathtaking design, and a driving experience that ignites passion like nothing else. The Lamborghini Huracán Verde Mantis isn't just a machine, it's a celebration of speed, style, and emotion, a rolling work of art that reminds us why we fell in love with cars in the first place.